Number 6. Jamie bought 23 cases of soda for her party. Each case contains a dozen cans. If her guests drank 223 cans of soda, how many cases were used? So we know there was 223 cans consumed, and there are 12 cans per case. So we just need to divide. How many times does 12 go into 223? Well, 12 goes into 22 once. Subtracting 12 leaves us with 10. Bring down the 3. 12 goes into 103 8 times. 12 times 8 is 96. And subtracting this leaves us with 7. So 18 and 7/12 cases were used. How many sodas were left over? Well, we had 23 cases, each which contained 12 cans. So we had a total of 276 cans. Since 223 of those were consumed, this leaves an extra 53 sodas. How many cases was this? Well, 53 divided by 12. 12 goes into 53 4 times, with a remainder of 5. So 4 and 5/12 cases were left over. Number 7. Chandra bought 52 pounds of a tropical fruit mixture for her restaurant's breakfast buffet. Half of the fruit mixture is pineapple, which costs $2 per pound. A quarter of the mixture is grape, which costs $1.25 per pound. And the final quarter of the mixture is banana, which costs 89 cents per pound. How much did each fruit cost, and what was her total cost? So let's start with the pineapple. Half of the 52 pounds was pineapple. This means we had 26 pounds of pineapple, and this was $2 a piece, so we spent $52 on pineapple. 1/4 of the 52 pounds was grapes, so there are 13 pounds of grapes. These cost $1.25 per pound, so this gives us 16.25, so $16.25. A quarter of the 52 pounds was bananas, so we had 13 pounds of bananas. These cost 89 cents per pound. This gives us $11.57 spent on bananas. To find the total cost, we'll add all of these up. So the total cost, $79.82. Number 8. The carpenter cuts a piece of wood so that it is 2 1/4 feet long. He then cuts another piece to be 1 9/16 feet. How much longer is the first piece of wood? So how much longer indicates a subtraction? 2 1/4 minus 1 9/16. Subtraction tends to be easier as fractions rather than mixed numbers, so we'll convert. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Minus 16 times 1 is 16, plus 9 is 25. We do need to find a common denominator. Between 4 and 16, this would be 16. 4 times 4 is 16, and the second fraction we'll leave alone, since it already has 16 as the denominator. 9 times 4 is 36, 4 times 4 is 16, minus 25 over 16. 36 minus 25 gives us 11 over 16. So the first piece of wood is 11/16 feet longer. Number 9. A road crew repairs 5/12 of a mile of road each day. How long will it take the crew to repair a 2.5 mile section of road? Well, we have 2.5 miles, and we want to break it up into individual days. Anytime we want to take something large and break it up into smaller pieces, we'll divide. The first step would be to convert this to a fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Division means multiplying by the reciprocal, so we'll multiply by 12 over 5. 12 times 5 is 60. 2 times 5 is 10. And 60 divided by 10 is 6. So it will take 6 days. Number 10. Samantha has 58 ounces of orange juice that she pours into glasses holding 7 1/4 ounce each. How many glasses of orange juice can she make? So once again, we have something large that we're breaking up into smaller pieces. So we'll divide. The first step would be to convert. 58 over 1 divided by 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. So 29 over 4. Division by a fraction means that we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. 58 times 4 is 232, and 1 times 29 is 29. Once you divide these two, you get 8. So there will be 8 glasses of orange juice that she can break this up into.